hiking sticks. Nice. This is the OG Tunnel Bluffs, the original parkade, and yeah, here in Lions Bay. They usually have a stick here for you. Free stick. This one's too short. This is not bad. But yeah, let's get into it, man. Tunnel Bluffs, Lions Bay. Still going. This is the COVID rope. Or steep. That's the rope people use during COVID, even though you're supposed to keep 6 feet distance. There's a rope. Don't really need it. Don't really need the rope. Let's go. But you need a stick, because this is steep. Okay, so I'd like to say we're at halfway, give or take, either way, and the hardest is behind. We still have to go up here, and then we got a fun little area where there's some rope or chains, something like that. It's been 4 years since I've been here. Ran to a couple, and they're in the same boat as me. Sketchy parking, but we did it. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Here's the part with the ropes. All right. Stick and the rope. Okay, here we are. This is where you get to. So, Tunnel Bluffs, Lions Bay, Hat Peak Trails. So, just saw a couple walk by me, and flat all the way. Let's go. See you guys at the top.
Bye.
All right. So we're about less than 10 minutes away, and I got another group of people. This is awesome. We're almost there. Yeah. Here we are. $1 million views and $5 muffins. $1 million views and $5 muffins. That's what we're doing today.
We don't got one. We got nuts.
All right.
Oh, yeah. Yo, I'm so happy I came. I saw how you guys drove out. There's no way I was making it out.
All right.
Yo, if you come back to someone's
All right. We're going to the danger zone, like we always do. Let's do it. Let's do the danger zone. Yeah. Always living on the edge. We got a little meditation spot right here on the edge of the mountain. Mountain meditation, Tunnel Bluffs. That's what's up. $5 muffins, $1 million views. Like this. Put this thing back. That's the end of the hike, man. The stick was a lifesaver. Fucking lifesaver. And now it's the time to cross the area. But anyways, this is Tunnel Bluffs. Great footage, good people. Some people didn't make it to the top. And met some cool young cats up there. And yeah, this is it, Tunnel Bluffs. You are here. You gotta go up there. There's tons of other stuff around here. This was the OG. This is a 10 out of 10 hike, man. No matter how you slice it, this is a 10 out of 10. Fantastic. The OG route. My car is still there. My car is still there. But the only thing I don't like about this, we have to cross the highway. It's dangerous. You see?